How to use the reserve wireless charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down, click on battery, scroll down, click on wireless power sharing, click on battery limit, set battery limit, click on OK. Now turn on this button. After turning on this button, wireless reserve charger will be enabled from your phone. Now put the center of your phone back to back with another device. If you have trouble connecting or charging is slow, remove any cover from each device. This is how you can use the reserve wireless charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.